David here, weekly week look. Today is Friday, 16th of December, and as usual looking at the May 2017 UK wheat chart. We'll start with the yearly chart in front of us, and you can see here we've got this start of the December candle here. Obviously we had this pullback here in November, and we're just last night closed 38.40, struggling to hold on and clear this 140. Short-term moving average cross up. Long-term one, that's the 60, is sort of flattening out, showing sort of sideways action, and stochastics are massively overbought at the present moment, but no sell signal coming through. Let's pop down into where we've got this obviously big green candle here, October, this is November, and now December, and obviously we're closing last night 138.40, struggling to maintain this swing high of last year. We got up to 142. Nothing much more to say on there except for see when pulling back. Let's pop down into the weekly. See on the weekly chart here, obviously we've now got a sort of sideways pattern going on for the last 4 or 5 weeks. You can see this quite clearly on this chart. Green up, red down, green up, red down, and sort of very tight range last week, and obviously now 38.50, struggling to hold on to the 10 weekly moving average SMA. We're below it at the present moment. This is a swing high of this year, 139, and you can see that we're just below it at the present moment. Let's pop down to the all important daily. Just go through what we've been looking for. This is last year. You can see at this time we go into this consolidation mode. You can see here this November, December, and January. You can see that we get this sideways action. Last year we'd had the 10 and 30 cross before that, and obviously we came into New Year and we've just headed right down. This is 2015, the year before. See similar price action here, December and January. We got the 10 and 30 cross middle of January, and then obviously we just fell away for the rest of the year. This is 2014. Just recap. You can see here this classic, this kind of pattern we have doing November, December, sideways action. See here what, you know, if you look back, you look at our chart in a minute, it's exactly the same. We've had a high here, then we need to go in this consolidation phase. We have the 10 and 30 cross, and then obviously had that deep fall as soon as we got in January. That was in 2014. This was 2013. This consolidation, this was at highs here. We then got this 10 and 30 cross. We then had a bounce back up to test the 30-day moving average here, and then obviously we fell away at the end of the year. So this is the last 4 years that we've seen, and this is the present chart, May 2016, and obviously here we are. You can see this pattern here. We've got obviously November, December. I would see it go sideways within this sort of high here, 144, low here, 138. Obviously you have the 10 and 30 cross, and then obviously when we break out of this pattern, it will give us the next direction. At the moment, obviously the moving average is saying that the last 3-month upwards trend has sort of come to an end. So we've had up, sideways, and now we're looking for the next wave. Obviously with at the moment the moving average pointing that this is going to be down. The last 4 years has been down, but obviously we've got to wait for a confirmation of this, and confirmation will be a closing either way of this pattern that we're in at the present moment. And I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.